The bronze to Paul LePage, the resident embarrassing governor in Maine. Forbes magazine ranked Maine as the least business-friendly state in the union for 2011. And last week, LePage promptly told a group of Mainers that his office asked the magazine's rankings editor why. They said, you made some efforts and you've done some good things in some areas, but you absolutely ignored the structural problems, which are our welfare and our energy. And they said, unless you get your fiscal house in order and you address energy, you address work-based force development, and you get yourself so that you spend with your means, you're in the cellar. We're starting out with welfare because we're going broke. The Forbes editor responded with a polite version of saying Governor LePage had lied through his teeth. They talked to a LePage advisor, but at no point did they discuss welfare or energy costs. Sorry, Governor, but I didn't say any of those things. Senior editor Kurt Badenhausen writes, welfare, not even a part of the rankings. He explained there are 6 parts to the rankings: business costs, labor supply, regulatory environment, economic climate, growth prospects, and quality of life. Next year, I suppose they can add a 7th. How often the governor responds to his administration being ranked last in the country in something by lying about what it means and trying to use it as an excuse to cut welfare.